on my house. It's empty, so I'm gonna do an empty house tour quick with you because I have to meet with my realtor, but oh my God, I'm so excited. It took forever to get to this point, but we're finally here. So let's get started. You walk into my house and here is this awesome antique, authentic fireplace. It's freaking beautiful. These beams are original to the house. I'm gonna go in more detail with you guys, but first, this is my entryway. These wooden floors are freaking stunning. They're hardwood floors. Here is my foyer area. All of these beams are authentic to the home. But this is you walk through the door and this is gonna be like a seating area right here. That is an authentic fireplace. And then you overlook my balcony with this gorgeous light fixture and downstairs, which I will show you later. But you come through here and look at this. Here is my soon-to-be laundry room. It's totally empty, so Mark and I are going to work on this. Guest bathroom with my insane exotic granite, which, oh my God, it looks so pretty. Ooh, I love this granite. Look at this granite. I had to have it because I was just like, any exotic, I'm a granite junkie. Let's get real. I'm a granite junkie. So any exotic granite, they ended up giving me remnant pieces. And when they showed me this remnant piece, I was like, yes, that has to go in any of my bathrooms. Do I think it goes really well with this floor? I don't know, but I don't care because it's just that beautiful. So then of course you just have your bathroom, guest bath. Again, love my tile floors. Gonna decorate this bathroom. I love the length of the ceilings. Oh my God, look at these floors. This is the first time I'm seeing these floors. This house is an old house turned into a farmhouse. Well, no, it was a barn and then turned into a farmhouse. They did a whole addition to a barn. So that's what I'm obsessed about. That's why there's so much natural stone that you'll see later. But this is an amazing guest bedroom that honestly, I'm gonna turn it into my beauty room because I'm obsessed with my natural light. I think it's stunning. And this is gonna be an amazing beauty room. And I cannot wait to film the best skincare videos for you in here. So moving on, we have just another guest bedroom. This will actually be for guests, I promise. Or maybe an extra closet, who knows? I mean, I don't know what that is. I'm gonna have to talk to my realtor about that. And then you come down these amazing stairs, all hardwood. You guys can see this is the original stonework. And then of course you have the original wooden beams. And then I'll take you guys down here and then you'll see all the original beam work. So this is where it's seriously beautiful. And then you come down here and then you see all this gorgeous stone. And then you come over here to my insane kitchen. Look at the size of this island. Stop it. Oh, it's so good. So good. Guys, the granite that I chose is obviously exotic, but it's not glossed. It's leathered granite. So it doesn't have a gloss finish. It's rough like stone because I thought it'd be super beautiful with the actual stonework. But you guys ready for this? You're gonna die. Holy crap. Look at this fireplace. It's original to the home. Got these gorgeous lights up top and it is an actual jamless fireplace that I'm gonna actually light fires in. You have this insane kitchen and then I'm going to be doing dishes, and then I'm gonna overlook my creek because I have a creek, a little babbling brook as they call it. And then of course I'm gonna get a gorgeous, I still need a refrigerator. I'm gonna be honest with you, this is a dream house. This is a dream house for me. This is insane. And this house screams Morgan Talks. I mean, let's be honest. My camera's gonna die, but I just wanna show you guys this really quick. I have less than a minute. Here's my guest bathroom. So there's lights, okay. Guest bathroom, more exotic granite. I'm obsessed with the stonework in here. This is all from the original barn turned guest bathroom. Gorgeous. And I love the black granite in the guest bathroom. This is what I chose because, well, you guys know I'm a luxe queen like that, and everything needs to be, look at this background. Everything needs to be luxurious and gorgeous, and this calls for amazing skincare routines for my videos. And then you come in here. This is gonna be like my basement area. This is the coolest room in the house, but unfortunately it's not heated because it's considered my basement. But look at this freaking room. Original beamwork, all stone. I think this is my favorite room in the house, and I have to use it as a basement, but look at that light fixture. This is the perfect dining room. Is that not gorgeous? Tell me that's not gorgeous. Like, this is where I live. Hello, I live here. You guys stay tuned. I'm gonna give you guys the best videos, the best footage, the best everything, because this is where I live, and this is New Beginnings from Morgan Talks channel, and let's get it poppin'. I'm so excited, you guys, and I feel so blessed, and I'm just so freaking happy and grateful that this is my home now. And I know Mark is super, super happy and blessed also. I love you guys. Catch you in the next video.